We've been adding things together, we've been multiplying, dividing, and even expanding. But now we're upgrading to things that are called equations, which means that we have an equal to sign in our problem. And the purpose is that we are trying to find out what the pronumeral, what the letter is equal to. Okay, so to solve any equation, you always want to try to move all the numbers away from your pronumeral. These equations that we're looking at today are called one-step equations because there is only one number that is with the letter. So look here, here's my letter, here's my one number. And it's only going to take me one step to get that letter by itself. Now you always have to do the opposite to get rid of the numbers. So pluses and minuses are opposites of each other. Timesing and dividing are opposites of each other. And that's pretty much all you need to remember. So let's try these questions. Number 1. So I'm trying to get the n by itself. So I've circled it. That's what I want. I have a -4 next to it. Remember what I said was the opposite? What's the opposite of a -4? +4. So I know these are only one-step equations, but we're going to start from the very beginning to make sure we get good habits with setting out our working out, because that will make the harder equations much, much easier when we get to them. So the opposite is to +4. I write a little +4 straight underneath the -4. Because it is an equation, and equations mean that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, whatever I do over here, this -4, I also have to do on the other side of the equation as well. So I need to put a little +4 under the 10. So there should always be 2 of them, okay? Now, the reason we do that is because -4 + 4 will cancel out. And that means that the n, which we wanted, all by itself now is. Clayton, can you write this down? All I have to do is work out what this is equal to. 10 + 4 equals 14. Okay? I know you can do this stuff in your head, but you are going to do the working out, okay? Because we're going to be doing 2 3-step equations, pronumerals on both sides, with brackets, okay? You have to start the working out from the beginning. So let's try it again. I am trying to find out what h is equal to. With that h, I have a +3. What is the opposite? Excellent, Will. -3. Put that underneath both sides to keep it balanced. Clayton, pick up your things and move over here. And Anton, if you can't focus, you'll be sitting over there. So that means that +3 - 3 will cancel out, so cross them out. Then we write down what is left. The h is all by itself. 15 - 3 is 12. So there's my answer, h equals 12. Sometimes it's good to put your answer in a box, just so with all the working out that you're going to be doing, when they get bigger, it's easy to spot your answer. Question 3. Let's do it again. You still haven't written any working out down. Answers only, not interested. Write the working out down. Question 3. I have an m that I'm trying to find. Then I want to do the opposite of a +6, which is -6. Okay, get rid of, cross that off. The m is now by itself. That was the goal. I subtract. I go 9, take away 6, which is 3, and that's the answer. Okay, again, we're doing over and over and over. I'm trying to find out the k. It is k -9. What is the opposite? +9. So I go +9 here, +9 over here. Cross out. K is by itself. Be careful with minus signs. What is -13 + 9? Minus 4, good. That's the answer. Question 5. F. That's what I'm trying to find. I'm circling it. I have a plus 3 there. What is the opposite? Yes, so underneath, minus 3 here and minus 3 here. Cross them off. They cancel. F is by itself. Minus 8 minus 3 is? Yes, good. Negative 11. That's the answer. Question 6. The y, it's not first this time, which is different, but that's what I'm trying to find, the y. I have a minus 5 there. What is the opposite? Plus the 5. So under here, plus 5, plus 5. Cross it off. Y equals 7 plus 5, which is 12. Okay, that's it. That's one-step equations. Here is some one-step equations for you. Page 16.